Should I carry on?
No! God, please, no!
No?
No!
Oh. Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel, and today, well, we're doing something different. We're collaborating with the channel
Unicorn XOX Love.
That's Abigail from Unicorn XOX Love. And tell me about your channel, quick time.
Well, my channel is more based on gacha life and animation. If you know what gacha life is, you'll know that you could make little skits and you could edit them and post them on social media.
So it's kind of like cute little stories, am I right?
Well, I guess so, but some could be a little bit thriller.
Well, guess what? Today we actually reviewing this Byte Unicorn Bluetooth speaker. So recently we picked this Unicorn speaker up for just £1 from B&M, which is a home store that resides here in the UK. And well, Abigail, are we ready to test this speaker out?
I guess so. Ready to rock and roll.
Woo! Rock and roll! So in that case, do the honours, Abigail, and let's start this review off.
Well, for starters, inside the box. So first of all, we have a simple instruction manual. A micro USB cable for charging, and the Byte Unicorn speaker itself.
What do you think on first glances of the look of this speaker, Abigail?
Well, first of all, unicorns, yay.
Unicorns, seriously?
Yeah, unicorns. The whole thing is just amazing.
Alright, fair enough. What do you think kids might like this on the first initial look?
To be honest, it's pretty cute.
My thoughts? Yeah, I guess kids might like it. I mean, I know unicorns are all in just now.
Yeah.
But maybe below the ages of 12 might like this. If you like it over the age of 12, then I don't know. Maybe it's time you get those unicorn pictures off your bedroom wall.
What do you mean, unicorn pictures off of the wall? I've got pictures on my wall.
What's that for?
Do not take the mick out of the unicorn crew.
Oh my god, unicorn crew. Is that what gangland's now resorted to? Or maybe you have, because you could use this as a weapon, couldn't you?
Stop acting silly now and get on with the review.
Oh, that's me told. I'll leave it in your hands then. Go on, take over my channel.
To the back, we have the on-off pairing button. We have the volume up, down.
And they also act as the next and previous track selection. And what's the next button?
We also have the play, pause and call answer button. And lastly, below that, we have the micro USB import.
Ah, terrific. I'm taking over this channel. So first of all, let me get back to what I'm used to. Thank you very much. Turning the power on, you will hear power on, followed by a red and blue flashing LED lights to indicate pairing. On your device using the Bluetooth mode, select Unicorn speaker. Once selected, you will hear another tone saying connected, indicating that this speaker is now paired to your device. So let's go ahead and play a few songs, and while we do, I'll just tell you a few of the specifications. Oh, nice beat. First of all, the power of this speaker is 3 watts. 3 watts. I said 3 watts. It has a microphone to PC calls, which is nice. Simple to use once paired to your device. It has a 10-meter range with a frequency response about 2.4 to 2.8 megahertz, and a battery 200 milliamp per hour. Not strong enough or powerful to power your DeLorean to 88 miles per hour. Should I carry on?
No! God, please, no!
No? Thanks a lot. Let's see what the speaker can do. So Abigail, what do you think of the actual sound of this speaker so far? Tell me the truth.
Well, it's alright. It could be louder. I guess it's for children.
I personally think that bass is absent. Well, it's not absent totally. Let's turn it up again. Let's have a listen.
Max volume.
Max volume. Half an hour later. So let's try a different song actually. Let's try a different song. Just not that one. What is this? Summertime Blues? In your garden, the grass grows high. Is it perfect? I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. Yes, I mean, I actually think personally that it's not too loud. The bass is sort of absent. It does get distorted at high volume, as you can tell. It is only a small speaker, 3 watts like I've mentioned. So Abigail, let me just ask you, Could you see yourself using this speaker? And if so, how often would you actually use it?
Could actually see myself using it with my laptop or tablet maybe.
Alright, I get it, you would use it. But here's the real question, would you actually use this speaker outside in the summertime?
To be real now, I actually think I would because it's loud. Yeah, I could see myself using it in the backyard or something, but it's just that bass, like you said, it's very distorted.
Fair enough. I could see teenagers maybe using it for a bit of fun, I don't know. But certainly not hanging around the streets with it. I think your friends would have something to say. I mean, that's about right. If you're expecting out of this world audio, then you're going to get let down. It's just a gimmick, really. That's, I guess, if you're interested in unicorns and stuff, well, I actually might think you might really like it. And as we have both been testing this speaker over the past few days, the battery lasted between 1 hour 40 minutes and 2 hours. For a full charge, it got to around 2 hours. And with that wireless range, it got to around 9 meters before the Bluetooth signal cut off. Overall, for £1, I think more or less girls would really actually find this speaker really cool.
Are you kidding me? Of course it's cool. I mean, just have a look at its little face.
I don't know, to me it's going...
No.
Alright then, fair enough. But here's the real question that I usually do on my channel. Are you ready for this?
Heck yes, I'm ready.
Alright then, you say it then if you're so bold.
So out of his usual rating...
What, mine?
Yep. Stop interrupting. His usual rating, out of 10, I will give this speaker 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, hey? Just 8, so 2 points off for what?
Because of the bass being distorted, I mean, you wouldn't really like that when you're playing outside.
Oh, we've got a connoisseur on speakers right here. So I've got someone to take over my channel soon, have I?
Well, yeah.
Stick to unicorns and stick to your gachas. And like I said guys, go over to her channel just now in the video description down below. Go and have a look at her gacha videos, they're really cool. The channel again is Unicorn XOX Love. And while you're there guys, I'll leave a few suggested Bluetooth speakers in the video description down below. Some nice quirky gimmicky ones. Go and check them out and go get yours. And in addition, please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button, subscribe. Making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on
mine you upload.
No, and mine you upload, sorry.
Mine.
No, mine.
Mine.
No, mine. Don't listen to her. Mine uploads. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you guys over my new video coming real soon. And well, thanks for watching. Peace.